Hi, I'm Dr. Helen He, a board-certified dermatologist at Mount Sinai. Today, let's talk about Fraxel Dual, which is one of my favorite lasers for skin rejuvenation. The Fraxel Dual is what we call a non-ablative fractionated resurfacing laser. What that means is that it creates tiny microcolumns of energy in the dermis of the skin, causing the skin to make new collagen, tapping into your body's natural renewal and repair process for healthier, fresher, and more rejuvenated skin. The Fraxel Dual actually has two wavelengths of light, which makes it a really versatile and customizable treatment. With the 1550 nanometer wavelength, we can do a deeper treatment to target collagen loss, acne scars, textural issues, fine lines and wrinkles. And then with the 1927 nanometer wavelength, we can also do a more superficial treatment to fade sunspots, age spots, improve the appearance of melasma and sun damage. And we can do both in the same session. On average, expect about 7 to 10 days of social downtime. For the first few days, your skin will be red and swollen, followed by this bronze sandpapery texture that gradually flakes off as the skin renews itself, revealing fresh, healthy skin underneath. After Fraxel, it's really important to be gentle with your skin, so think hydration and protection. So use a mild cleanser, a hydrating but gentle moisturizer, and most importantly, diligent sun protection and sunscreen use. Also, you can skip the retinoids or exfoliants until after your skin is fully healed. Fraxel can be beneficial for people at all stages of life, so you can really begin treatment at any age. For those with more mature skin, Fraxel can help improve the appearance of some of the signs of skin aging, such as fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. I also have younger patients who I would treat with Fraxel maybe once a year preventatively to boost collagen, keep the skin refreshed, while fixing any issues in skin tone and texture. In the ideal world, I recommend 3 treatments about 1 month apart, followed by maintenance a few times a year. But if you only have time to do 1 or 2 treatments a year, you'll still have really nice results. In conclusion, Fraxel is one of my go-to skin rejuvenation treatments because it's a multi-purpose, versatile laser that does it all.